Hello, hello. This is the Awful and Awesome Entertainment Wrap, episode 376. This is Rajesh Sen.
And this is Abhinandan Sekri wishing you a very Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Shall I sing now?
No.
To
but
lose
I
our
do
5 subscribers.
hope you will subscribe, and this your New Year resolution will be that you must support independent media. So let me straight up first tell you that we have a new project, an Anil Sena project up, which is an investigation and a deep dive ground report in the Hindu Rashtra project. Villages and government buildings in Gujarat have declared themselves as Hindu Rashtra. School in Madhya Pradesh fires a Muslim teacher after a communal clash. Signboards in Uttarakhand call for boycotting non-Hindus. And many such things are happening all across the country at a scale and at a level which don't often catch your eye because news doesn't actually report from the ground anymore. So do support this Anil Sena project. It is up on our website. Here is a QR code. I do hope you will support us. And we have News Laundry gift subscription New Year offers. Our subscribers are our biggest brand ambassadors. We are looking for gift ideas for New Year's and Christmas. And what better gift than spreading the message of public funded news? So, and of course, we've also launched another campaign which is going to run through the year, Fight to Breathe, because the horrible AQI in most of North India, it only comes up during 2-3 weeks. It's big news, then it dies. We are going to be continuing a campaign where we'll bring you some startling facts, etc., etc. But I'm killing the Christmas cheer. Right now, let's be happy. Rajshri Sen came dressed as a Christmas tree. She insisted that because she's
I
wearing
could show
a
my legs.
green sweater, and I don't know, this is supposed to be a Christmas
This
tree.
is Christmas colors,
Okay.
and the brown is the bark of the tree. And these are
So-
the branches sticking out, where the leaves have fallen off because of the bad pollution.
So if you guys
So,
have been put off for Christmas for life, you know who to blame.
I hope everyone noticed that in the end of my 40s, I'm very flexible. Did you notice? Because I'm an athlete, as Abhinandan knows. I usually run 20-25 kilometers
We were
every
just saying,
morning.
yeah, that there was the American sprinter Flojo. We have Slojo. Flojo ki maa Slojo.
You should not make fun now.
What was
Why
Flojo's
did you
full name?
say Florence Griffith Joyner? Why do I know? Because
Because
like
you're
her, I'm a
Slojo.
runner.
Because you're Slojo.
You shouldn't make fun. You said Florence ki manga. You try to make me look old.
Okay, so Rajshri Sen, we have lots to offer. But
Lots to offer. Of which Abhinandan has
we'll get to that.
watched.
We'll get to that. But first, the headlines.
Yes. These are short and sweet headlines.
Hmm.
The good news is that Payal Kapadia's All We Imagine as Light won Best International Feature at the Gotham Awards 2024. It bagged 2 Golden Globe Awards and the Critics' Choice Award nominations and was Barack Obama's top pick for movies this year. It was, in fact, the number one on his list. The bad news is that the Film Federation of India said that it did not submit the film as India's official entry for the Oscars because it was technically very poor.
Wow, no wonder.
So I went to the Film Federation of India website to check who is on the board, jury, whatever. They have not updated their list since 2015. So they are very efficient.
So we don't know who's
We don't
managing
know.
the website, but
Yeah.
if you pay us very nominal amount, News Laundry can manage your
Yeah.
website, Film Federation. In other news, the bad news is that Chandigarh authorities ordered Punjabi singer Diljit Dosanjh to not sing songs that mention alcohol, Patiala Peg, Panj Tara, etc., etc. So which means that no Punjabi songs will ever be sung ever again, ever, like ever. The worst news is that Aaj Tak anchor Sudhir Chaudhary joined the tirade and said, "Our youth listens to such songs every day. It has led to them looking at criminals as heroes." And of course, as we know that he has spent some time in Tihar for
For his
allegations that you can
Z,
look
but
at.
I want to know what inspired him to do the Live India sting, which he'd done a fake sting on this teacher claiming that she was having sex with students. And then
Right,
it
that
turned
sting
out.
also. So, of
Yeah.
course, Sudhir
I
Chaudhary
love
is
Sudhir Chaudhary. He's my hero.
And in other bad news, actor Alu Arjun is in more trouble as a Congress leader has filed police complaint over Pushpa 2 scene where they say that he's showing police in a poor light. In other bad news, Alu Arjun has been summoned to appear for questioning at Chikkapalli police station, and they say it is normal. It is part of the investigation.
He has a fabulous head of hair. I've
And-
been noticing.
Okay. And the good news is that it has apparently collected 1600 crore Pushpa 2. I did not have the courage to watch it, but I happened to watch a song of it on YouTube. And I am just, I mean,
Impressed.
Are you kidding? I mean, the choreography, we make fun of the Bhojpuri kind of the choreography and songs. What is this choreography?
So
it has
Allu
no...
Arjun is a Hyderabadi. They are Hyderabad actors.
What is Hyderabad actors?
As in Rana Daggubadhi and all are Hyderabad actors.
Okay.
They are not Mallu cinema. That's what I mean. I'm making
Yeah,
that.
Mallu cinema is...
Haan,
so
so
it is... I mean, I don't have the courage to watch it, but I'm sure Raj will watch it after she's watched all the seasons of Desperate Housewives of Terence Hill.
Terence Hill. Terence Hill was who?
Bud Spencer's partner.
Yes, I'm very impressed.
And other such things. And now for some seriously tragic news.
Yeah.
Filmmaker Shyam Benegal passed away. Just, in fact, yesterday before we recorded this. And I shall be talking about some of his earlier cinema. And we were discussing just before this
that
whether
he's not Bengali.
that he was not Bengali. So we checked out, he was from Maharashtra. And what did Archie say?
I'm just saying he's
almost Bengali because
He's
he's so
almost Bengali
talented.
because
Because
he's so
a Maharashtrian can't be so talented, only Bengali. I said,
the truth is out there, is all I'm saying.
so you have to be Bengali to be talented. And if you are not, you're almost Bengali if you have talent.
Yeah.
So Rajshri said, what are you going to be talking about? Because you watched a lot of stuff.
I watched some very good stuff, I must say, for a change.
Ooh, good stuff. You got that good stuff. Remember that song?
I know. What is this song? Who has sung this?
It was this pop group
Wow.
in the 90s. You got that good stuff. I'll just tell you.
Thank you. So I watched this film which you can rent on Amazon Prime. I think it's on Lionsgate, actually. You can rent it. It's called Woman of the Hour. It's directed by Anna Kendrick, who's usually she does a lot of comedy films, and it's her directorial debut, and it's quite interesting. So in 1978, there used to be, in the 80s and all, there used to be these dating shows. Basically, there'll be a woman sitting on one side and there'll be a like a
Till the
barrier.
90s also.
They used to have and
Who
there'll be
wants to
three
marry a
men.
millionaire?
And you'll ask questions and all that. So this woman went on this dating show called The Dating Game in 1978. And the person she won the date with turned out to be, and she did not know this, turned out to be...
Sukesh Chandrasekhar.
Sukesh would not be a bad, because he'll give you 2-3 stallions, 2-3 cars. This guy was not as nice. He was a serial killer, Rodney Alcala, who is quite nice looking, I have to say.
So the network didn't do its due diligence.
No, because he had a case against him. He'd been let out and all. But the film it's a short film. It's 1.5 hours, like that. The only thing is that I felt that it should not have been called Woman of the Hour. It focuses little bit on her. Half an hour is on her. She's trying to be an actress in LA, and her agent says, why don't you go on this show? Because I've got you this gig. People will get to see you. That's the reason why And after she wins this thing, and she's just being cocky and cute on the show, and she rejects the other 2 guys. And one of the other guys was the contestants. This guy shows him a picture of a butchered woman. And he said, what is wrong with you? And then he doesn't get to speak to that guy again, but he did warn her, the other contestant. He said, just don't go out with him. And she thought he's just he's the loser, so he said this. And they go for a drink straight from this thing.
Studio.
And she figures out something is very off about the way he's talking. And when they're going to her car, she says, I'm leaving, I'm going to the car. So he says, give me your number so that I can call you. So she makes up a number. And then he tells her, can you repeat the number again? So she said, but I just gave it to you. So he said, yeah, so repeat the number. And he's this really polite guy. And he said, you lied to me.
Now you will die.
No, so that's the thing. And she says, whatever, I don't want to see you again. And she turns and she's walking. And she hears him mutter, I'm going to smash your head with a rock. And she just and she somehow manages to get away because some people come into the car park. But he basically gets caught. I felt the only thing is it's not it's a known case. He had murdered 113 women.
Are you serious?
Because he was just not getting caught at all. But he basically gets caught. He kidnaps this 16-year-old homeless girl.
This is a true story.
True story. And he kidnaps a 16-year-old homeless girl. And when he takes her...
That Christmas, I thought we'd discuss a few
This
also.
is very uplifting. The end is uplifting.
Okay, lift it quickly.
And he kidnaps her. And when he rapes her and tries to kill her, she pretends to... Wait, it gets better. She pretends to be dead. Then when she comes to, she just is really nice to him. Because she's like, okay, I'll have to get out of this
Let me
alive.
Play this guy. Wow,
And
that's some presence of mind.
And she's totally like calm, sweet. She makes it seem like she's in love with him. Almost they go to one of those in the States, they have a pump house like that, no? And she goes and she calls he goes to get cigarettes and she goes to the loo. She calls the cops on him. And she finally went to court and she testified in front of him. And she said, this is what, and that's how he got arrested. But it's worth watching because it's just very chilling.
Okay. So, then after this, you'll be talking about a film called Hat Trick. It's a football
Cricket.
film. Cricket.
Football hat trick you have? Football hat trick?
Hat trick hota hai, like metric hat trick.
Metric hat trick.
Then it's not a hat trick. What is it?
No, heretic.
Heretic. What is
It's very
heretic?
good.
Heretic is when he
Heretic.
scored 2 goals and 1 later.
And it's
not a
later
hat trick.
usually.
It's not a hat trick.
Heretic, I'll tell you. Heretic, everyone should watch.
Okay, so we'll do hat trick, but before that, we have a few emails. We only entertain the feedback of subscribers. The rest of you can leave your hate comments on my Twitter timeline or YouTube comments
Or mine.
or hers. All those
Welcome.
men for equality people, I've been watching your tweets, I've been reading them. Don't feel bad. I haven't responded to each of them. I responded to a couple of you. So, but those of you who have meaningful feedback, you can mail us at podcasts@newsline.com. I repeat, podcasts@newsline.com. We only entertain the feedback of subscribers. So if you're a subscriber, do tell us what you think, why we are so shit, what we can do better. The QR code is flashing as I say this. You can flash that and become a subscriber, or you can click on the link in the show notes. Now let's get to the subscribers, the more sensible people.
Yeah.
Sahiti says, missing Awful and Awesome this week, 14th December. Can't wait for you to discuss the Kapoor family meeting with the PM. XD Abhinandan. XD matlab?
No, PM?
Huh,
What?
sorry? That's a laughing
that's
emoji.
a laughing. The things we learn.
You must have loved Saif Khan Shah. We discussed this, and of course, I was always right about people who are spineless and gutless have a special affection. Raj has a special affection for them.
Just
So-
randomly. Saif had no choice, na? He is Muslim in this country. He has to be nice to Modi. Has to come out of the meeting alive.
मैंने तो पहले कहा था एन रैंड की बुक पढ़ के मैंने काफी कुछ सीखा है और मोदी जी की हमें तारीफ करना
I
भी
just feel Saif was the least of the problems. The rest of the family, that Ridhima said, my Hindi is very bad, मेरा जीवन सफल
Say
हो
it in
गई है.
Bengali.
আমার
জীবন সফল আমার জীবন সফল রসগোল্লা মিষ্টি দই
সফল হয়ে গেছে
রসগোল্লা
ওনার
মিষ্টি দই
সঙ্গে দেখা করে
দেখা করে মিষ্টি দই
হ্যাঁ so I just feel Ridhima and all were quite chill. Neetu was also there. Neetu Kapoor was there.
I don't know. Then
Yeah,
Dheeraj
yeah.
says, hello everyone. Hello
Hello.
Dheeraj. As the year comes to a close, you could do a small video of everyone at NL talking about books or long read reports they read this year, why they liked, why they think it was important. That's a very good idea.
I've
break
got
it
one
with-
thing just now. I'll tell you. In
So,
fact.
Dheeraj's idea of everybody at NL Recos. ठीक है.
Yeah.
Dheeraj, very good idea. I'll just, after this, we'll go tell the editors and all the heads of department, and maybe we should January onwards start releasing it. So tell me, what are your recommendations? What did you read
No,
this
finish
year?
his thing need not be what was published this year, but whatever they consume this year. It could be a movie or show too, but make them choose just one could help people with holiday reading.
Okay.
So 2 things. One is we'll put the link below. It's a long read on Airbnb. It's an investigative report on what all happens at Airbnb.
What happens
And
at
it's
Airbnb?
horrific because of the safety issue. It's like Uber or Tinder and all. It's really horrific, the kind of thing. That was excellently done. Also, the infographics, everything. And the book, which I strongly recommend, which you've read also, and which just won an award, is The Vegetarian by Han Kang. Which is excellent, and Han Kang just won the 2024 Nobel Prize in Literature. The book.
You only gave me that book.
Yeah.
It's about that girl who starts starving herself.
Yeah. So do read that.
Yeah,
It's
what a
really
disturbing book.
Yeah.
You know, you just
But we spotted it.
spread the sado. मतलब it's Christmas, कुछ बोलो अच्छा, अरे serial
But
killer,
aren't you
rape.
impressed?
You recommended a book that is so disturbing.
But it's very nice. Also, you can read. You can Kerala Files. One
Dheeraj,
more.
I'm sorry. Sorry, this is not Dheeraj. Yeah.
No?
Anyway.
Okay, come, Sandeep Banik.
Oh, here's what my recommendation. In fact, I picked it up very late this year, but I'm loving it. I've almost
Archie's?
finished Archie Comics.
Huh?
No. This is What Went Wrong with Capitalism. I recommend on Hafta. But it is the data. It's Ruchir Sharma's new book. I wish I could interview him on that, but I will later.
But why have you not interviewed him on that?
Because
you
I just started
interviewed him
reading it
before?
like last. I haven't.
Yeah, of course you've interviewed Ruchir. I remember.
I don't remember.
I couldn't have dreamt of you and Ruchir talking. What a weird ass dream that would be.
Yeah, focus.
I'm just saying, what a
Sandeep-
strange thing.
Sandeep Banik
Sandeep
says-
Banik. Sandeep
Bengali?
Banik is Bengali, unlike Sham Benegal, who
So-
could be Sham Bengal.
So Sandeep obviously must be talented.
Of course. Hi, ANR. I don't know why is Niku getting so much hate for interviewing Shalini Passi. My guess is that their bias is coloring their views. There means those people are there. And they haven't even watched the interview. The interview grew on me, and I must say it was quite delightful. Although I do want to know Niku's honest opinion about Shalini Passi. ANA every 2 weeks is still a bummer for me, but as Raj Kapoor once said, the show must go on. I want to say something in the 100-year... 100 hi to Raj Kapoor became. Why was Zinat Aman not there? Because he had an affair with her. So they did not call her. She was not there. I noticed. Other people noticed other things. I noticed it. I would recommend the movie Control CTRL starring Ananya Pandey for Niku. You should watch it. It was really good. Being a
Okay.
postdoc in AI and safety critical systems, many of the events shown can actually be performed. And season 2 of Bad Sisters for Raju. In terms of, I like people just call me Raju. In terms of songs, I found Ishq by Fahim Abdullah very pleasing. We will watch and listen. Finally, I found this fun ad, which we will also watch. See you in 2 weeks.
So the link to the ad, the fun ad, is below.
Which we'll put also.
But Rajshri, I actually, not today, but I will review this. I think I watched a little late. It's a show called Made in Heaven. It's... Our producer just... Why is that so funny, Priyali?
Why did you watch Made in Heaven? Even I'm looking at it. Why did you watch it?
Because it was recommended, it popped up and I watched one episode.
It was recommended 4 years back, man.
Oh, it's that old?
No, last year. Last year, was it? It is 4 years.
Okay,
2
it is
years
for five.
old. Like.
Okay, it's 2019.
What did you think? No, we are going to discuss one episode, which is the Radhika Apte episode where she's having a...
There's no Radha Apte episode.
He's what? Season 1 you watch?
Yeah.
There's a season 2.
Okay. I haven't watched season 2, but I will talk about it. I was very nice.
Shobita, to obviously you'll think is very nice, na?
I'm not shallow like you. Okay.
I'm just saying.
So then we have we have another email because Sandeep wants to know my true opinion of Shalini, and there's one more person who also wants to know, but of course he's not so kind. Kapil Dev says, Kapil Baji!
Maybe it's Kapil Dev.
Palmolive da jawab nahi, Kapil Paji. Maybe it's not that Kapil Dev. But if it is Kapil Paji, I'm a fan.
I'm also a fan of
But if
Kapil
it's
Dev.
not that Kapil Dev, I'm still a fan because you're a subscriber.
And you've written 96 words only. Short
So,
and
hi
precise.
Niku, I've seen your many interviews from the good old days of I Agree and Cleaners to the recent ones. I've always found them insightful and the humor you bring acts as a cherry on cake. In my opinion, your last interview with Shalini Passi was not only unneeded but also a bit vanilla. Obviously, I'm no one to tell you what to do or what not to do, but I would like to know your thoughts, process behind it. Are you able to achieve whatever you were trying to achieve there?
I have something to add here.
Okay.
That while Kapil Dev has watched these 2 shows, has Kapil Dev watched your debut show, Nikku ka Haseen Safar. What was it called? Come on, say the name.
Nikku Ka Suhana Safar. It was my debut show. It was a offshoot of another show.
So it was, Nikku used to go into crowded areas and he would engage with the public.
Nikku didn't
but
go into crowded areas. Nikku went to the area and they became crowded.
And he was so popular, he had to be saved once. A van had to go in and save him.
Cops had to come. Yeah,
So
yeah.
if anyone finds these, where are these?
In the India Today archives, who knows? This
So
was
Vilas
this was
Goel should give us-
pre-cable news and all. It was Doordarshan days, so there were just very few cameras. And I remember that basically I used to give away free stuff and do this vox pop kind of thing. And the cops had to come with me. because
Riyali is
people were-
looking decidedly unimpressed by this description.
Yeah,
of
anyway,
the show.
so honestly, I was why we did that interview is because Editor in Chief Raman said that since you guys do pop culture podcast, and he had recommended this show, not recommended, but we spoke about this on Hafta, and he had watched it and he said that this show's, it's taken the viewing world by storm. And since you do a pop culture, because this has no place in the regular news laundry programming as far as the news and politics is concerned, he says, she's a pop culture phenomena, and if you have a pop culture podcast, you should do an interview with her. So I told Raman, so okay, fine, I'll do an interview with her. So we requested. I wasn't sure whether she'd even do an interview with us. So I requested. So I had gone in there to do like a, pop culture
Fun
and
kind of
offer
thing.
a fun thing. But I actually was quite impressed with her because I went there, my expectations were low, but she's I came back quite impressed with Shalini Passi. The reason is I would want to get into this thing, but she knows exactly who and what she is. She has no, she's not Saif thinking she's intellectual. Saif has the potential of an intellectual, or people like Akshay Kumar who think they're very patriotic, or people like Salman Khan who think they're very macho but are actually, pathetic, meek, faltus. Her self-view and what outsiders hear is basically, for me, there
I
are
think she's
various
not
kinds
delusional.
You don't have to be delusional. I think everyone, including me, what the world thinks of us and what we think of ourselves, there's a gap. And the further the gap, the more delusional you are.
She's
Her
self-aware.
gap is a little less, which is a very rare thing, actually.
Okay, Nico. I hope she's become a subscriber.
That
And I
billionaire
hope-
subscriber.
I hope that tomorrow when I come here, there'll be a Subodh Gupta sculpture over there. Okay? That's all I'm saying.
That's all you're saying.
All
That's
I'm
never
saying.
all you're saying, Rashi. You're always saying lots more. But before you talk about Hattrick,
Yes.
a bit about Shyam Benegal. He had a phenomenal career. I mean, personally, even when Lata Mangeshkar passed, we did not discuss it. But we are discussing Shyam Benegal because, it's very fresh in our minds because it just happened yesterday. And for me personally, he was a very important filmmaker because in the 90s, when I was working with News Track, when I used to do that show,
Yeah.
Nikku Ka Suhana Safar, it'll be in Doordarshan archives, by the way, because it was
that's
for Doordarshan.
nothing we can find from
Nothing you can find
Doordarshan,
from
no? Last
But-
week's bulletin is on right
But
now.
on Sunday, Star Movies had just been released, or Star Plus. I don't even know if Star Movies was there at the time. Used to show in the afternoon.
One film.
An arty film.
Was it
and they
Star or was it DD? DD used
whoever,
to show,
but they used to
huh?
one arty film because they weren't 500 channels. They were just like 6-7 channels back then. And his Ankur, Nishant, I remember having my aloo ka parathas, having a bath, and then sitting in front of the TV. Trikal. So out of all the filmmakers, other than Yash Chopra, probably have seen most of his films. The other person whose films I've seen most of is Shyam Benegal. And
So
I
which
just thought
is
he was
one of your
so gifted.
favorite ones? Or 2, 3? I
Not
can't say
only
your
my favorite Shyam Benegal film, I've said it before on Awful and Awesome. It's one of my all-time favorite films is Kalyug.
Kalyug. I don't think I've watched Kalyug, but I've watched Mandi, which I loved. Which is like, I think everyone should. And I think Mandi is there on one of the streaming channels. Then this thing, they've given the Hindi name, but Suraj Ka Satwa Ghoda.
Ghoda, of course, that is one of the...
Manthan was lovely. Ankur was... It's just... And his female characters are so beautifully written.
Yeah.
Without like pandering to them, they have all sorts of... Like, they are not the nicest characters sometimes, especially in Mandi. And it was also the way he made Mandi was very interesting because at that point, none of them got paid. Neena Gupta, Shabana Azmi plays it's set in a brothel, and Soni Razdan, and also Alia Bhatt's acting genes, I think, come from her mother, because Soni Razdan's done some spectacular, and I don't know whether she's NSD or not, but she's done.
But Kalyug got the best movie award, Filmfare Award. Back then, Filmfare would still give awards to, these days, Allu Arjun's film will get the best film, or Dabangg will get. If you've done well, you'll get best film. Animal will get best film.
No, you used to get, like, good cinema used to get.
And the thing is that film like Kalyug, it's not on any streaming platform, but it is available on YouTube in like 7 parts. It's been uploaded in 12-minute chunks.
What is the story?
Kalyug is basically set in Bombay. It is Mahabharat in the setting of matlab 1980s, a business family.
Okay.
And,
I should
And
watch.
if you want to see Shashi Kapoor at his best, he is, I think at that time must be in his 30s, I'm guessing.
He was very good then.
He was at his most attractive, charming, like, as a chick, I would have just been in love with him. Like, he has slight grey. When Shashi was at
This is like New Delhi Times. You watch New Delhi Times? He's so good. He was very attractive.
And his character is Karan, because he's the son out of wedlock.
Okay.
आइए, आपके बेटे घर पे आपका इंतजार कर रहे होंगे।
मेरा एक बेटा और भी है, सबसे बड़ा। भीष्म दादा से पूछो कौन है वो।
It's got Anantnag, it's got Amrish Puri, just the cast. It's got Rekha.
Rekha Raj Babbar.
It's such an amazing film. It is so brilliant and it's so subtle. It is, I think, one of the finest pieces of cinema to have ever come to India.
The film which I did not dislike it, but it was not his
Zubeda.
best. Yeah.
It was so overrated. I remember at that time also, I remember this one was feted as what a performance, Karishma Kapoor. It was such a mediocre performance.
It was a very mediocre.
It was just a contrast from her, hero number 1 Avatar. That people said, oh, what are them? But I mean, if you were to go by Shyam Benegal's list of his filmography,
it's
that would be one of the least impressive.
So he and Govind Nihalani actually, I would say, and Tapan Sinha. Do you know who Tapan Sinha is?
Tapan Dada.
You don't know, making fun of Tapan Sinha. Very bad.
We used to have Mishti Doi every Sunday at Eden Garden Park.
Please, while watching award-winning.
While watching Baba Shen Gupta.
And Manthan. You should watch Manthan.
It's not Manthan. It's Monthon.
He's made it. Shyam Benegal, who actually at heart was a Bengali.
But the word was invented in Bengal, Monthon.
Everything was invented in Bengal. We know now. What are we going to do? Then these Punjabis came and just ruined it all for us.
And we started saying, Panjatara Sara Gussa. In fact, speaking of, songs which mention Daru, one lovely song I came up, which I've added to my Punju Baby playlist. I have a playlist called Punju Baby, which is my most listened to playlist. It has a very fascinating concept. It is by Jordan Sandhu. You see? Jordan Sandhu, this is what it sounds like.
Also. It's like a background music to being molested or shot. It's very bad, very crass. No.
I used to love you so much, etc., etc. And my, friends,
That
they
is
talk
what's
about
being
it.
said. It's sounding...
And tere yaad naal aani chahiye ek bottle of free bali. That with your memories, one bottle should come for free.
This is the thing.
It's a
one
beauty.
bottle has to come for free.
The beauty of heartbreak in Punjab is even the beauty of heartbreak is with bottle of free bali hai. Teri yaad naal aani
I have nothing to say,
chahiye
nothing.
ek bottle free bali. too good. Yeah. You know, without Punjabi music, the earth would stop spinning. Because the earth
Thank
is,
God. Then it's fine.
The earth is spinning because of the beat Punjab provides.
Why did you not go for the Diljit Dosanjh?
Because I'm having Mishti Doi with Topon Dada.
Don't make fun. He's the dead.
He's the dead. We were watching boring Bengali cinema. That's why I didn't go for the Diljit
Make
concert.
fun as much as you want. Diljit also is at heart Bengali. But there's a film which I think everyone should go to the theatre and watch, which is Hugh Grant's
Hat-trick.
Heretic.
It's the second part of Matrix.
Keep quiet.
Hat-tricks.
So this is Hugh Grant's second act in his film career. I feel is fabulous because he stopped playing the romantic,
the bumbling, adorable British guy.
So he gave an interview where he said, "I hated my Notting Hill character because he's such a wimp."
I like his politics and what he stands for, but he's just so insufferable. You don't have to be like a dick all the time. I've seen so many of his interviews. He's just unpleasant to the person. If you don't want to talk, don't fucking stand in front of the mic.
Jon Stewart has said he was his worst.
Don't just be
guest.
nasty to the person. Just don't make things awkward. Just walk the red carpet, go take a seat, buy popcorn or Mishti Doi and talk to Tapan Dada. No, you'll stop in front of a mic.
He's been invited, no?
You'll stop in front of a mic. You'll be unpleasant. You'll be a dick.
What are you most excited to see tonight?
To see?
Yeah, well, I know that you probably watched a few of the movies. Are you excited to see anybody win? Do you have your hopes up for anyone?
No one in particular.
Okay, well, what are you wearing tonight then?
Just my suit.
Your suit? Who
Yeah.
made your suit? You didn't make it.
I can't remember, my tailor.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Shout out to the tailor.
Yeah.
So tell me, what does it feel like to be in Glass Onion? It was such an amazing film. I really loved it. I love a thriller. How fun is it to shoot something like that?
Well, I'm barely in it. I'm in it for about 3 seconds.
Yeah, but still, you showed up and you had fun, right?
Almost.
Okay, all right.
I just find his personality,
I think he's lovely. And he's so cute looking.
He and Saif.
And so Jon Stewart said, don't forget that I've interviewed dictators also. But my worst guest
was not a
Hugh
tater, it was
Grant.
just a dick.
It was just a dick. But Heretic is this, I think it's 1.5 hours long.
It's your favorite genre.
It's my favorite genre, which is horror, but not a horror as in ghost horror kind of thing. It's like a thriller. It's a psychological thriller. It's set in America, where there are these Mormon missionaries. And
It's set in Mishti Doi.
So it's winter in America, in a town in America, and these two young girls who are Mormon missionaries, sister Chloe and sister something, they must be 16, 17 years old. They are going house to house, like they do now, those born again Christians. Let us tell you about Christ, our Savior, like that. So they are visiting various places, and then one of the houses is Hugh Grant's house. He's a professor. He seems to be, so they go and his house is up this hill and all.
Like the Psycho House.
Yeah, no, it looks like I'd still be a little wary because it's a little far, but that's where two people usually
Because you have
go.
to walk then. But you could run
But
because
I
you're
can
slow
run.
job.
I run. I won't be walking. So they go to this house. And so there are only 3 people in this film. Pretty much. It's just Hugh Grant and these 2 girls. And they knock on his door, and he is this charming. The way those characters he plays, he's charming, he's very sweet. He said, of course, I had asked about the Mormon church. So they said, can we can come in? Like they're talking to him from the doorstep. So he says, come in. So they said, no, we can only come in if there's a woman present in the house. So he said, well, my wife is there, if that works. So they go in, and he says she's making blueberry pie and she'll just come out. But as the conversation keeps, there's no wife coming out. But the only thing is, he lulls you into this false sense because he does know about the Mormon church, and he shows them the Book of Mormons, and he's quite informed about everything. And he's chatting very nicely. And it's soon you start figuring out, first, there's no wife, clearly. And then then they realize that they are stuck in this house. And there's no signal on the phone. And he said, but I did tell you all that, are you fine with, by the way, the house has metal and something. He said that there's no signal because it's an old house and there's metal in the floors and this thing. And the door is locked with a timer. And he tells them you can leave. It gets more and more, like it's a lot of conversation. But he basically says you can leave. There are 2 doors. Like you can go through the back of the house. You'll have to go, and it's snowing outside and all. And I say, listen, the head of our church is going to come looking for us. They know that we've come to. So he said, but I'm not saying anything. I don't know why you're getting so worried and all that. And he says you can leave through the back of the house. And there are 2 doors. There's belief and there's disbelief. And he said, so you have a choice. You can either go through one of the doors or you cannot go through. And there's this whole conversation about what religion is to people. What is monotheism? It's iterations of the same religion over the years. So from the Egyptians to Hinduism to Islam and so on. And he said, what makes you believe? And what does religion do to you? So it's a
philosophical...
film, yes. And then he makes them...
He converts them.
No, then it takes a bit of a turn. But he basically has almost like a maze in his house. And it's how these girls escape or not escape.
It's a test.
It's a test. And he is...
God.
He is so good at being chilling. And then he'll suddenly crack the way Hugh Grant does. He'll crack a cute smile and there's a bit of a funny line which makes him more and more chilling.
If you were trapped, you'd be oscillating between fear and
love.
So sweet.
I'd be like, this is so cute. It is just, and it's scripted so well, and especially the dialogue and the conversation.
You haven't given any spoiler.
Yeah,
I'm
because
impressed.
it is so, I really think people should go. I think he's going to be nominated for an Oscar for sure. The other thing is these 2 girls are Mormons in real life. So, which is interesting that they got these
The
2.
Mormon church didn't expel them.
No, because the girls are quite clear about why they believe in Mormonism. So the arguments are, it's
Sound.
no...
So it's a good ad for Mormonism.
No, not really, because
then?
he does his arguments on monotheism and how religion controls you through sex, through shaming you. His arguments are very good.
I see.
But it's a very,
Interesting.
very...
Sounds, I should watch it.
You should watch it. That's what I
But
was
since you
telling
said
you.
these 2 doors, Rashtriya Armit, someone asked me this riddle years ago. I don't know if you've heard it. There are 2 doors.
Okay.
One is to heaven, one is to hell. And there is one person in front of each door. One always tells the truth and one always lies.
You've told me this, but I've forgotten what I said. Or
So
what you
let's see
said.
if our audience
Let's see,
knows. One always tells the truth and one always lies.
Okay.
And one door leads to heaven, one to hell. You can only ask either of them one question. You don't know which is which. You don't know who's telling lies. You don't know who's telling... You can only ask one question. What question would you ask so that you get to the door to heaven? Dun, 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 dun. So think about it. I can give you the answer at the end of this podcast.
So, no, but definitely watch this.
Right. Then Rajshri Sen, we have a couple of emails. 3 are left. You want to
Yes.
tell us about those?
Prasad Vasudevan has said, hi Abhinandan, please watch and review the Malayalam movie Kishkinda Kandam. It is a beautiful movie with stellar performances. The movie is relatively short, but it's relatively short nowadays. Just 2 hours, 5 minutes runtime. Thank you. It's on Amazon or one of these.
My New Year resolutions are I'll watch more stuff.
You watch Heretic because you'll really enjoy it.
Kishkinda Kandam. Okay.
Okay, Ishan Chatterjee has written, hi Rajshri and Abhinandan, just wanted to say I love listening to you guys. You guys make up a good pair. Keep the show alive as it works as therapy. I don't think people should put their mental health at our doorstep. P.S. This event is what Nikhil was talking about, which Trump visited after winning the election. Please do watch and review. Thanks. P.S. I love UFC, best sports in the world.
So the video that you have put is when he went to Madison Square Garden with Elon Musk. I saw this. So this is what he was talking about. Okay, got it.
Okay.
I mean, I'm not a fan of UFC. I used to be a fan of boxing, but I'm beginning to question my love for boxing, because as I'm getting more and more information about what it does to some of the boxers, same thing for what it does for
But
American
football also, they say, if you hit
not
the
regular
head,
football.
hit the head, hit the ball.
No,
with
that
a-
too, even in hockey and cricket happens. And then finally, Mohammad Salman also.
Hi, Abhinandan and Rajeshri. Referring to your discussion on Vikrant Massey, public discourse is always harmed when bigoted, narrow-minded, right-wing talking points are mouthed by people from famously multicultural, multi-ethnic or multi-religious family backgrounds. It's what makes people like Smriti Irani the absolute worst too. Such people are living the promise of what India as a free democracy with equality and opportunity for all can be. They overcome all barriers to achieve their potential in the fields they work in, and they use their role model status to instead propagate the most closeted points of view. Great respect for the work you do. Appreciate when other co-hosts step in, but Abhinandan and Rajeshri have a vibe no one can match. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Did you see Vikrant Massey attended this really cringe event of Republic, and the moderator asked him that if you were to do a biopic of a journalist, which journalist would you like to portray? And he said, of course, the one and only. There's no match for Arnab. I was like, मतलब इतना भी यार,
At least
बॉस की चाटो, बॉस के चाटो की चाटो यार.
That's sad.
थोड़ी डिग्निटी होनी चाहिए, little bit.
अगर आपको किसी जर्नलिस्ट की बायोपिक में काम करना हो तो वो नाम क्या होगा?
The man is here, and I mean it. I genuinely mean it because अभी हम थोड़ी देर पहले बात कर रहे थे. He's had the guts to stand out tall all these years, और इनके साथ पिछले कुछ सालों में जो हुआ है वो एक प्रेरणा का स्रोत है लोगों के लिए.
It's very sad.
So, Rajshri Sen, on that note, do you want to talk about something else? The Kim Kardashian, something upbeat, please. Nothing like...
Girls Will Be Girls is very upbeat.
Okay.
It's the new film. I just do 2 minutes because you all should watch it. It's on Amazon Prime. It's a new film. Richa Chadda's first production, I think this is.
I must watch it, yeah. I've read about it.
It's very good. So it's directed by Shuchi Tarati, and it has the actress from We Imagine as Light. Kani Kusruti plays the girl's mother, and the girl is played by Priti Panigrahi. She's a student in a boarding school. And it's a coming of age story of this young girl. And her mother is almost like a single parent in the sense that the father goes out of town to work and comes back, is there far lesser than they would like him to be there. And it's about this mother-daughter relationship. So I thought, and there's this boy this girl who's the head girl of the school she falls in love with. I felt it was very nicely done, the mother-daughter relationship. Certain things did not make sense because I don't think a mother would sleep in the same bed as her daughter's boyfriend. Like, say, come and sleep in my bed. Not have sex, but sleep.
Depends on the kind of cinema you watch on Brazzers.
That's it. I was like, is this one of those? I didn't realize Amazon's branched out into that.
Dirty American Knowledge. It's quite normal. That's, in fact, that is the arrangement.
That is the thing.
That is the standard arrangement.
So maybe they got confused also. At one point, a different scriptwriter came in and he wrote that scene
You just reduced the
I said,
caliber,
or
and
you said
the level of
Brazzers.
this show is just always brought down to that level by Rajshri sir.
But I felt the dynamic between the girl and the boy she falls in love with, because he's not too good at studies. He's come from out of town. It's a co-ed boarding school. Why she likes him, how he in a way plays her, but not like how he plays people, because he's this boy whose parents live abroad.
A survivor, basically.
Yeah, and what he does to make friends. They've got a lot of things right, and it's worth a watch.
Yeah, it's got some good reviews. I will definitely watch it.
It's on Amazon Prime.
So good. Amazon Prime has a lot of good stuff, because even this show that I watched, Made in Heaven, was also on Amazon Prime. Why are you laughing?
Because
I'm 5 years late.
Are you going to interview Shobita Dulipalya after this?
I should actually. I'm very impressed with the performance. What has she done after this?
Then she got married to Chaitanya, Naga Chaitanya.
But forget that guy, the main lead. Dude, he is
very good.
Outstanding actor, yeah.
So he has married Tarun Tejpal's daughter.
Oh, I see. Okay. But
See
he's
I give you
an
a trivia also.
amazing actor. What's he done after that?
He's done quite a few films.
Oh, really? I must
He's
watch
very
it.
good.
He's such a good
and
actor.
he does theatre also.
Hmm.
Which one is he talking about? The photographer you're talking
No,
about?
the main guy, yeah.
Even the
A business
photographer
partner.
is good, but they use him as like
But
a sutra.
the thing is that in that every episode there was someone I knew. Half the people there are Doskos. So his brother,
Huh?
he was a boy I used to play football with, and he stopped coming. Now I know why, because he's gone to Bombay and he's acting. Then Sheru, Sharad Sharma, he was the basketball coach. Then, of course, Vijay Raj from Monsoon
Why
Wedding.
didn't
Lot
you
of
become
people.
an actor?
No one gives me role.
Oh,
So-
after all that.
Teri yaad naal aani chahiye.
So there's a Christmas music video I have as a recommendation because I watched it. It's 4 minutes 56 seconds, I think. Kim Kardashian has a new video out, which is this old song called Santa Baby. You've heard the song, no?
No,
Santa Baby.
never heard it.
Dun-dun-dun. Marilyn
she's-
also sang it.
Where she's crawling around.
She's crawling around, her thong is showing and all, but
She sang it.
Yeah, really badly. But it's anyway one of those songs where
It's
you're
so
not
disturbing.
singing.
Christmas be like to ऐसा disturbing सा music video with these
No, but
grotesque
see
looking.
the last 2 seconds, just watch. There's a surprise guest appearance of
Robert
someone.
Downey Jr.
No, yeah. That would still be okay. See who it is.
That's Macaulay Culkin.
Yeah. This is what it's come to, from Home Alone to Kim Kardashian crawling up to him in her thong.
So uplifting as usual.
It's quite uplifting.
Rajshri.
If you wear, I just want to say this though. She has a line of underwear called Skims, which is like magic. Like if I were to, I can't get it in India, but if I were to get Skims, my figure would be like,
Flojo.
no, yeah, Flojo was thin like that. Would be like Vanessa Williams when she won Miss World.
Okay.
Because I do look a
Why?
little
Because-
like Vanessa Williams.
Because it's like you wear it and your suddenly body changes.
I think it does do. It
Chalo, theek
clinches
hai.
in your waist.
I'll
and
also
all.
get that then.
You'll also
It's
get
fine. ठीक है. So, on that note, I will once again urge you to please subscribe so that our journalists can continue to do the jobs that they do. I'm very, very proud of our team for this voter suppression story series they've done. We want to continue to do it. These are very important reports which unfortunately legacy media has abandoned. So it's up to you to support journalism. The QR code is there. The link is in the show notes. You can go to newslaundry.com and subscribe. Now coming back to the riddle. Rajshri Sen.
I
one
would
dog-
ask.
Yes.
One always says the truth, one always
tells
lies. I would say, is this where I want to go? And
Well,
then
knowing you, they'll both point to hell. So
that might be
here's
more
the
fun.
answer.
What?
You ask any of them, if I ask the other person, which is the door to hell, what would he point to? So if you ask the person who lies, he'll point to heaven. And if you ask the person who tells the truth, he'll also point to heaven.
No. Yeah.
Think about it. It'll take you a while. The process, I can see the wheels
Not a
turning in your head.
Bengali riddle.
So, on that note, thank you so much, those of you who supported us through the year. It has been a very eventful year. There have been struggles, there have been IT notices, which is a constant. There have been lots of court hearings. All the lawyers who've supported us, thank you so much. We are forever grateful. Many of you support us pro bono. Many of you support us with advice. The subscribers who've been supporting us, thank you. Many of you have not renewed, I'm guessing, tough economic times. But if you can even afford 300 to 400 rupees a month, which is not that much, I would really urge you to do that so we can get more and more journalists. You'd be surprised the amount of journalists out there in the market who do not have a good place to go to do journalism. And they keep asking me, can you hire us? And I'm saying, I wish I could, but I just can't afford to. There's so many good journalists out there, young people who want to do stuff, but they just don't have a platform. So if you support us, we can actually increase our team and bring you journalism like we do, but 4 times more. So do consider a heartfelt request on Christmas, New Year's. Give us a Christmas gift, give your friends a Christmas gift, works all around. Rajshri Sen, any parting as we close 2024? and sing All Lang Syne.
All Lang Syne like that. Like it sound almost Chinese. No, just be good. Don't watch
Be good
bad
things.
things. Don't support the wrong politicians. Be smart.
Don't watch bad things, because Abhinanda is going to be recommended all of them to watch. So that is my
No.
job.
And watch Saif's new films. There's a film called Lal Kaptan, which is on Hotstar or something. Watch that on New Year's Eve.
Okay.
This is my. And keep subscribing. Support Free News. And we'll be back in
Jan?
Jan. Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year. And thank you to our producer Priyali. Thank you to our sound recordist Anil. And thank you all round, yeah. Have
Yeah.
a fantastic weekend.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Sekhri.
Thank you, Miss Sen.
And it's a wrap.
You can fund journalism that solely works for you. That is our motto at News Laundry. You can pay to keep news free so that news becomes accountable to you just like it's supposed to be. Visit newslaundry.com and become a paying subscriber so that you can pay to keep news free and independent.